In today's video, I'll show you how to change your business name on Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you've rebranded your business or simply want to update your display name, this process is quick and easy. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the left side menu and open the Business Settings or Account Settings section. This is where your main profile information is stored. Now find the field labeled Business Name. This is the name that appears on your scheduling page, client emails, and booking confirmations. Click into the field and replace the current name with your new business name. Make sure it is spelled correctly and matches your branding. After updating the name, scroll down and click Save Settings to apply the changes. Once saved, your new business name will automatically update across your Acuity Scheduling page, client notifications, and confirmation emails. It's important to review other related settings as well, such as your logo, contact email, and branding colors, so everything stays consistent with your new identity. Before finishing, preview your scheduling page to confirm that the updated business name is displaying correctly on both desktop and mobile devices. If you are using integrations or connected tools, such as email notifications or calendars, it's also a good idea to check that the updated name is reflected there too. And that's it. You've successfully changed your business name in Acuity Scheduling and updated your branding across your booking system. And that's how you change your business name on Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.